Transforming part designs into reality requires a CAM package that has the capability to deal with the most complex of milled parts. Autodesk PowerMill has the fine level of control and flexibility required to satisfy this need. For high-volume stock material removal, Autodesk PowerMill generates high-efficiency, high-speed toolpaths such as Vortex. These decrease cycle times, producing parts quicker, whilst controlling the tool engagement to even out the load, reduce the wear, and increase the life of your tools. Effective stock management techniques minimize fresh air cutting, allowing the tool to continually cut material. Toolpath editing can be used to quickly modify toolpaths without the need to recalculate. Minimizing tool lengths to reduce vibration and improve surface finish can be achieved by utilizing the full capability of multi-axis machines. Tool axis decisions can be made prior to calculation or quickly applied afterwards, fine-tuning the output desired for the machine. Simulation and verification before machining can reduce downtime, resulting in safe, optimized toolpaths which provide confidence for unattended production. Autodesk PowerMill is the expert choice for CAM, dedicated to producing exceptional quality and precision and trusted to deliver.